It's a cold Sunday to complain. I hold it in until it rain. I fought demons after fame. I spent millions on terrain. I treat my bitches like Diana. Pretty princess, hold the Fanta. 2003 Dolce & Gabbana. Jeans make her ass look fatter. We won't catch him outside. He don't got no money for the backup. I ran 30 million in the ground.
And welcome back to the vlog. Let me set you guys up real quick. Hopefully you guys can see. We are at Tasty Quick Value, and basically it is a yakiniku spot. You order meat of different varieties and you cook it yourself. So pretty easy, pretty cheap. We'll show you guys kind of how the process is, but it's just a spot off of the side of the road. I mean, there's a lot of them all around, different, you know, Tasty Quick Values, different little spots and stuff. And here is where you pick through the stuff. Obviously, you know, place your order, English menu, Japanese menu and such. They give you a bunch of different sauces. You got your little water cup right here. Refill yourself, and then you've got your hot plate so you can adjust heat, temp, all that jazz right there. But we are gonna wait for our first order of meat to come out and get to cooking. We're hungry boys this morning, so we're gonna tear it up. Not even 3 minutes later, food was ordered. They give you a bowl of rice on the side. You can get less, you can get more, you can get none. You got some soup to go with it. You got some onions, you got different slices of meat, cuts of meat. You can pick through it, and then you've got your kimchi. Put it, toast it as long as you want, cook it up, and then usually I like the red chili and the garlic sauce. Mix it up in here. They give you lemon sauce and a couple other things, so you can pick your poison. These two are my favorite collab. Get rice, get some meat, get some sauce all in one. Tear it up. Yes, big yummy, big yummy. Hitting better than ever.
Hitting like I ain't been here in 10 months.
Look at that. New York could never. Having somebody clean the subway transit system.
New York could never.
Now I'm back up, she a city girl. I'm the real reason that she act up. She talk back, I make her pack up. Send her home on spirit. Something in my spirit made me not believe I feared. I know bitches period, so I'm watching how I'm speaking. Single but I'm creeping, my main bitch don't need a headache. Half a mil on Maybach's tires flat, I never draw them. Pretty hoes need styling, Balenci shopping, got them wildin'. Tweaking out on commons in my veins, the molly throbbing. Rich as hell still robbing, ain't no love the way I'm rocking. Color goblin, forest green, the lane I'm hogging. Wrap the P like swallowing, get it through your fucking eye.
Alright, alright, alright. We are in Harajuku. Harajuku.
Listen, don't come here if you ain't got no drip. That's all I gotta say.
That is a fact. We are in Harajuku. We just got some grub earlier. We ended it off. We were gonna get munching on some Tasty Quick Value, but decided, you know, we on that whole eat, greet, meet, and sleep type thing, you know what I'm saying?
I thought
like,
you were gonna finish that off with skis, but you know, we'll take that.
Nah, maybe skeets later, but yeah, we're gonna grab some other food, try a bunch of different spots, different cities, you know, instead of just going ham in one. So many stores, but I wanted to show you guys this. Larry, this one's for you, buddy. This one is for all my cap heads. Don't even know if that's what you call them, but I know a lot of you boys are into the new era hats, into the fitteds, and they got some big drip here.
That is tough. Green KC hand top, gray bottom.
My first time going in the Liberty Walk store. They don't really want you filming, they kind of spaz out, so we'll leave that out. But I will say the one thing about the store, I don't know if it is because of the whole recording and camera stuff, which kind of is free publicity for them, but I guess they don't really need it. They had somebody like follow us around the whole time. We were downstairs They were talking to us, cool, we get it, you know. And then we went upstairs. Somebody just followed us and like stayed next to us. And it kind of seemed like unnatural. And it kind of turned me off from like looking through the stuff. Not to say I would or wouldn't buy stuff, but it was just a turn off. So we were back at 2nd Street, downstairs, Jalil bought a couple things, and going upstairs, gonna see what they got. We'll show you the difference between this one and the other one. And hopefully find some cool stuff. They got their whole Supreme section going on. There's the big baller stuff right there. Some of this stuff, I have no idea if they realize what it says.
They do. I would wear this shit.
It literally just says, fuck. Nice. Jalil brought us to this TikTok spot.
You ain't never really ate in your life, man. What you want me to do?
He said, yo, I saw this spot on TikTok. Everyone was waiting in line. We had to wait for 43 minutes.
What's the name of the place?
Bro, TikTok heaven. Literally, kid, it's crazy. But it looks good, so we'll update you in a little. So we just finished up. There was a lot of people sitting around. It's a tight space. It's just something that don't really record. Obviously, I'm gonna take a little bit of Jalil's content, but we're walking back, and this man pointed out something very, very funny. Cookie time for serious cookie munchers.
Bro, it's on my list actually. So like, if you want to go get a cookie,
I mean, we could go munch. We are the biggest munchers. We have made it back to Akihabara, and here lies a Mustang. Figured I'd just show you guys this, and then we see this Porsche. Really cool, you know, not my big cup of tea. And then, you know, you got a Chevy Malibu and a Subaru. I was telling them how fire that white Malibu is.
oh yeah, I love it. I might go up there and give me one.
Yeah, look at all these people recording.
Brother,
So funny.
what's crazy is that boy really got a lift kit on.
He do, and the valences. Super cool. LMGT1s, LMGT2s, I don't even know what.
The dual exhaust is dog shit.
Anybody want to tell us what this is? It do got the dual exhaust. Funny, very funny. Pretty wheels though. Of course, we're walking in the middle of the road. This thing's pretty cool. Raw R? I'm assuming like a Rally R version or something. Never heard of it. Really cool. And the people are not even around, so they just took it out for a little trip and to get some food. That's really cool. I went to go record this 180. Oh, there we go. It's Sunday. Usually I wouldn't expect many cars to be out on a Sunday, but we talked to one of our other buddies that has an S15, and he is coming to Aki as well. So I don't know. Today's been the coldest day out of all of the days that we've been here. And so I don't know, maybe that's what's bringing the cars out, or just in general, today being Sunday, people don't gotta. Ooh! Now they can see it. Sure! But yeah, maybe just the fact that people are off work and stuff right now makes them want to come. But look, we've seen the NSX, we saw the GTR, we saw the Subaru, we saw the Mustang, we saw the 997, we saw the 180. So we're going back to the hotel, moving over some of the stuff from the SD cards, charging up the batteries a little bit, and then we will be out and about looking for some cool stuff. We have met up with a homie that we met last time that we saw on a back street road, and we are here again. Oh, very pretty, very pretty. I like all of the chrome accent stuff. Look at that. Our friends, we come back, the ones that are super easy, come and hang out with us. It's Random Mark too. I don't know who this guy is, but the S15, he is bringing us to eat some food. We were gonna go to Daikoku, but our ride would not be here until way too late, especially on a Sunday. I don't really think it would. At that point, it's almost, it would be worth it just for the heck of it to go now, but we'd have to wait over 3 hours to start to leave to go there. So it would not be worth it right now. But he asked us if we have eaten, and we ate not long ago, but guess what? We're gonna eat again. So we're going out for curry. We said surprise us, let's go to a spot. And now we're following the leader.
It's cool with me.
And after getting some amazing curry, you know, you guys would know that if you kept up with the Instagram, make sure to check that out. But we are meeting up back with him. He had to do some shopping, and then I'm gonna get my first ride in the S15. So we're walking back, we're fast walking because it is freezing. And then, I don't know, maybe grab some grub or something after, but brother, this man looks like this man looks like a tree trunk right now.
Bro, all this motherfucking sidewalk, and you had to come like play chicken with me, brother. You would have lost.
Yeah. We stopped real quick to take a couple pictures here. All of these lights and scenic stuff in the background, some lanterns and stuff. Super, super beautiful. But we went for a ride. He wanted me to stop real quick, so figured we'd stop and take a couple pictures. Just look at that. Gorgeous. I know y'all see the stance. I just finished up with the ride. Much appreciative. We didn't go ripping or anything, but really, really cool guy. Super nice. And whatever song he was playing, you know. Stay with me. Brother, I felt like I was in the multiverse or something, but yeah, we're just walking back. You know, some casual NSX, posted up, hanging, chilling. That's what I'm saying. But this is amazing, even for a Sunday. You know, it's just nothing going on. People post up and hang. Very cool. Very, very cool. Oh, and on T5.
You don't even know about that.
Come on, buddy. Air out. Bro, you think you could dance off him? Go ask him to dirty wine for 1,000 yen.
Dirty wine, man. Dirty, dirty wine. No.
Come on, Bubba. He's just having an aneurysm.
That's probably me.
Sorry.
Brother, I literally said it. I said, that's probably me. Let me touch your shit.
Yo, sorry, brother.
You fucking dirty ass.
The bowl was hot. Gotta speak up.
I want another bowl. I don't even want that shit now.
I'll trade you, brother, if you want.
I choke on it again. Eat it.
Again. Come on, boy.
That boy, hold it. As soon as I turn this on, he's gonna cough up a storm.
Ooh, we did not, I did not film. Jalil filmed eating some grub. Our last 17-pound meal of the day. But we're closing out today. We had a lot of stuff planned, kind of had some change of plans, but made it work. So we're gonna catch some Z's. This video should go out pretty quick. Dre's editing the videos pretty quick, so everybody thank Dre. If you haven't already, go watch the last 3 vlogs. Let me know what you guys think, or if you want us to do or try or go somewhere specific. But with that being said, we'll see you guys on the next one. Later.